So let's try implementing logistic regression in R. To do so, we need to define the problem, load the libraries, load the dataset, split the dataset, train and test the dataset, train the model using training data, predict the trained data through the model, and validate the model. So let's load the dataset and view it. The dataset consists of 400 observations with 5 variables such as user ID, gender, age, estimated salary, and purchase. To talk about the dataset, this dataset consists of information of people that have purchased or not purchased the social media app in the Play Store. The column age and estimated salary has no effect on the purchase column, that is, the dependent column. Hence, we do not require the user ID and gender column. We can omit them. This is done for the ease of computation and implementation. Encoding the target feature as factor so that the column can be converted into levels which will be a character value. Factor is a data structure used for the field that takes only predefined finite number of values, that is, categorical data. After which, we got to split the data and train and test the data. Feature scaling is applied on independent variables. It helps to normalize the data within a particular range, helps in speeding up the calculations in an algorithm. Fitting logistic regression to the training set using GLM function. GLM is nothing but generalized linear regression. After which we got to do the prediction. The prediction is done using the function predictOf. We got to predict for the training data. To find the confusion matrix, use table of function and predict the value. If value is greater than 0.5, then it is set to 1, else it is set to 0. Visualizing the confusion matrix. To visualize the training and testing set, we got to install lmstat_learn. X1 variable is to set the sequence value of minimum to minimum value minus 1 and maximum to maximum value plus 1, which differs by a difference of 0.01, and X2 for the column 2. Set the grid of X1 and X2 value and store it in grid set. Assign column age and estimated salary. Probability set value to predict the classifier of the type response new data with grid set. Y-grid to check the value. That is, if the value is greater than 0.5, it is set to 1, else to 0. Plot the value range of X1 and X2. Contour to produce the line in the graph to produce the columns. Points to display the variant color and the background color. The same is repeated for the testing data. Thank you.